It's really exciting that the Schmiechen lecture at Eden Seminary can be part of Global Ministries Southern Asia Initiative.
And I would like to thank my former colleague and friend, Mary, for inviting me into this partnership activity.
Tell us a little bit about the Southern Asia Initiative and how it fits into the work of Global Ministries of the United Church of Christ and Christian Church Disciples of Christ.
For the past several years, for about 10 years or so, the Global Ministries has been launching these regional initiatives with a view to bring the churches in the United States to come closer to the experience and issues of the people in different parts of the world. As part of this, the Global Ministries launched the Southern Asia Initiative last year in 2019, and this will continue all the way till June 2021. The purpose of the Southern Asia Initiative is to sort of create a space for partnership building. Partnership through the sharing of resources. These resources are not necessarily financial resources, but resources of experience, perspectives, learnings, and spiritual and material resources, with a view to forge together as a network of partners in the mission of God in the world today.